Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at how to send WhatsApp broadcast messages using our platform Whautomate. Once you log into our platform, you can go to the broadcast menu option on the left-hand pane um, under communications. So you can click on that and you can add a new broadcast. But before you send broadcast messages, you need a couple of things set up within our platform. One is the customer segmentation. The segments allows you to filter customers in your account based on their demographics so that you can target customized marketing campaigns based on different segments as such. For instance, if you want to run um, a marketing campaign for females at a certain age range, this segmentation allows you to do so. Let's create a demo segment just to see how it works. So here, as you can see here, you can give the segment name, and this is just for your internal reference. And on the right hand side, you can see the clients that are impacted by this segment. When you send a broadcast message, these are the people that will receive the broadcast. So here we've got another filter called location. If you're a business that have multiple branches and you've set up multiple branches within our platform, you're able to filter out clients based on a particular location as such and target marketing campaigns for that specific location. And if you don't give this filter, it'll run the marketing campaign across all the locations as such as well. And here you have the ability to run marketing campaigns based on gender. So you can add a gender and it'll filter out the people that are on that gender within your account as such. And we've got the client tag as well. This allows you to create your custom filters within the platform as such, and you can add as many tags as you want to a particular client just to run different campaign as such. Let's say you want to run a campaign for your VIP customers or special customers, you're able to do so by adding a tag to the client. Let's quickly look at how to add tags within a client record as such. So here I've got the list of clients. I just filtered out my record as such, and I can go into a particular client record and I can add as many tags as I want. Here I've got the prospect tag set up for my client record, which I want to use for the demo purpose, and I filter out this one. As you can see, it filtered out that particular client record that has the tag as prospect. And we have a couple of other filters that are helpful in running campaign based on age range, or let's say you have customers that have purchased something with you or interacted with you or engaged with you in the past but are not doing so now. If you want to win them back, you can set up a campaign to do so as well. So here I'm just not going to use those two filters, but you can do so for your business if that is what the campaign is going to be about. So I'm just going to save this segment. Once you have set up the segments, the next thing that we need is setting up of WhatsApp templates. And these are templates that are reviewed and approved by Meta before you can send message to anyone using WhatsApp Business API. The way you can create message templates within our platform is under integrations menu within WhatsApp section, you have a tab called message templates. This is where you can look at all the existing templates that you have in your account, and you can add a new template as well. So I'm just going to click on add new template, and I can give a template name. I'm just going to call it as marketing discount template. I need to select a category, and the category is very important to Meta as they charge customers or the price of the message is based on these categories. So you will have to select the correct category, or else they will reject the template, or they will update the category based on your preference automatically. Here you will have to select the header. This is optional, but if you want to send an interactive message with image or video, obviously it will improve the conversion, so you can select an option as such. I'm gonna, for this demo purpose, I'm gonna select the image option, where I have the option to select the sample. Meta needs the sample to be able to review your message, so you will have to select a template. In this instance, I'm gonna use the image that I've set up for demo purpose, 50% off in the first class, and then I can type the body message, and here I can use personalization variables to personalize the message for my customers. So I'm just gonna do hello, and then I click on the add variable. As you can see here, it inserted this one. When I'm actually sending the message, broadcast message, all these variables will be changed to the actual customer names and so on and so forth. And at the bottom, as you can see, it also added a new field called sample value. So any personalization variable that you add into the system, you need to provide the sample value for Meta to be able to review and approve that template. I have set up a message ready, so I'm just going to use that message. And on the right hand side, as you can see here, this will just give you the preview of that message. I'm just gonna put John Doe as the sample value, and this is what the customer will receive as well. And on the footer, this is again optional. If you want to add any message, you can add as well. I'm just adding our company name, and you have the interactive options as well. So you can add a button, call to action, or quick reply, or you can even put a phone number, and people can actually click on that button to make an action as such. So I just want to use the visit website option, and I want to call it as learn more, and then I want to give the value as our website. So once everything is good to go, you can save this template, and Meta usually approves this message template within a few seconds, or sometimes it takes a minute or two. Okay, now that it has been approved, let us go and create the broadcast message itself. So now that we are into the broadcast menu, I'm going to add the broadcast, and I can call this broadcast whatever I want. I'm just going to call it trial discount broadcast, and this is an option that is available to you to schedule a broadcast at a later point in time. Let's say you want to schedule marketing campaigns during a festive period. This option allows you to do so. And if you don't give a schedule, it will run immediately. So in this instance, for demo purpose, I don't want to schedule it. I just want to run it immediately, and I'm going to leave it blank. And I'm going to look for the segment that I created, and it also shows me the number of recipients that are impacted by the segment. One good thing about this segmentation is, as you add more customers or clients into your database with the same segment, same tags and things like that, it will automatically increase the recipients count as well. Here I can use the message template that I just created. So we created marketing discount template. As you can see here, the preview actually gives me the message as well, and it is asking for me to upload the media that we set up in the template. So I'm just going to select again the same media, because that is what I want to send. And here is where comes in the personalization, right? We allow personalization variables for you to use to personalize your broadcast or your automation, so on and so forth. So if you click on the hash, right, and you type in client, it will give you the personalization variables that are available for you to personalize your message. In this instance, I just want to use the client name, and I'm just going to select that, and it just replaces that value with client.name. But when the broadcast actually runs, this will be replaced with the actual client's name. So I'm just going to save this broadcast, and it's asking, are you sure you want to run the broadcast now for one client? Yes, I want to run, so I'm going to click on confirm. And as you can see, the status is pending. The system will take about 30 to 40 seconds to actually process this broadcast and send the message. And once it's done, it will change to completed. Okay, now that our broadcast is actually completed, let's look at what we have received. As you can see here, this is the message that I've received, and we had a personalization variable, and this is what the client name that is available in my database, and it had actually replaced it with the personalization variable. And also I have a call to action as well. So when I click on this one, it is navigating me to the website that I've given on the template as such as well. So now let's look at the statistics that is available for you within the broadcast as well. So when you go into this broadcast, it will give you the information of when it was scheduled, when it was completed, and how many messages were sent, and the status of the message as well. So in this instance, we just read the message and it updated the status as read immediately as well. Yeah, cool. That is all for this video. If you would like to learn more about our platform or sign up for a trial account, please look at the link on the description and click on that and sign up with our platform.